The next billion-dollar idea isn't in Silicon Valley. It's probably in your head right now. What the people aren't smarter, they are just more creative. They solve problems differently. Innovations create wealth. Why? Because people pay for better solutions. Look around. What frustrates people? That's your good mind. Start small, test it, make it better, then scale. Canva, Netflix, Uber, they all started as a simple idea with bold innovation. Creativity isn't just art, it's money making magic when applied right. Follow for more real world strategies to turn your ideas into income. Your next big thing starts here. Ever wondered why some people get insanely rich with simple ideas? It's not luck, it's innovation. In this video, I will show you how the world's most successful innovators like Elon Musk, Oprah, Sara Blakely used creativity to turn problems into profit. You also learn how to turn your own idea into steady income stream, even if you are starting from scratch. Ready to turn creativity into cash? Let's dive in. Welcome to Solid Strategies with Wale Akiyemi. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more success strategies. Innovation and creativity are powerful tools for wealth creation. The world's most successful entrepreneurs and business leaders are those who think differently, solve problems, and create value in unique ways. Whether you are starting a business, investing, or looking for financial growth, innovation is key to staying ahead and increasing wealth. This video will help you understand the role of innovation in wealth creation, how to turn ideas into income stream, case studies of successful innovators. Let's look at the role of innovation in wealth creation. See, innovation means introducing something new or improving what already exists. It can be a new product or a service, e.g., electric car by Tesla. You see, a better way of doing things, e.g., online banking replacing physical branches. A fresh business model like Netflix changing how people watch movies. Why innovation creates wealth? It solves problems efficiently. People pay for solutions. It gives you a competitive edge. You stand out in the market. It opens new revenue streams. You see, more ways to make more money. It builds long-term success. Keeps your business relevant. For example, Apple became one of the richest companies by constantly innovating, from computers to iPhone to iPad and wearables like Apple Watch. How to develop an innovative mindset. Be open to new ideas. Always look for better ways to do things. Observe problems around you. Every problem is an opportunity. Think outside the box. Challenge traditional ways of doing things. Be willing to take risks. Innovation requires actions. How can you turn your ideas into income stream? You see, having great ideas is not enough. You must turn them into money-making opportunities. Here is how. Step 1. Identify profitable ideas. Look at your skill and your knowledge. What can you create or improve? Observe market needs. What are people struggling with? You see, follow trends. What industries are growing? For example, with the rise of online learning, many entrepreneurs turned their expertise into profitable online courses. Step 2. Validate your idea. Before investing time and money, test your idea. Ask potential customers if they will pay for it. Research competitors. What can you do better? Offer a small sample or trial to measure interest. If you want to sell a handmade jewelry, first make a few samples and see how people respond before launching a full store. Step 3. Monetize your ideas. See, there are many ways to turn an idea into income, such as selling a product or service online or offline, licensing or franchises. Let others use your idea for free. Subscription models. You see, charge customer monthly, or as the case may be, for example, Netflix, software, online, and courses. Advertising and sponsorship. If you create content, you can earn from ads. For example, Canva, an online design to offer a free button, but makes money through paid premium features. Step 4. Market and scale. Say, promote your ideas using social media, word of mouth, or online advertising. If it works, scale it up, reach more customers, expand offering. Is it keep innovating to stay relevant and competitive? So let's look at the case study of successful innovators. Number one, Elon Musk, that's Tesla and SpaceX. What are the innovations? Electric cars, space travel, and thereabout. What are the work creation? Is it Tesla became a $1 billion company because it solves a major problem, reducing carbon emissions while creating high quality electric cars. Let's look at Jeff Bezos, that's Amazon. What are the innovations? Online shopping. You see, what is the web creation? Amazon started as an online bookstore, but grew by expanding product category and using smart logistics to offer fast and affordable delivery worldwide. Number three is Oprah Winfrey, a media empire. Is it personal branding in media? Oprah leveraged her storytelling skills to build a talk show which led to books, to movies, and entire TV network. Number four, what of Sara Blakely? Spanx. You see, he reinvented women's shapewear. She turned a simple idea into a $1 billion company by focusing on comfort and confidence in fashion. Innovation is not just for tech geniuses. Anyone can think creatively and build wealth. What are the key takeaways? Is it innovation creates wealth by solving problems and offering value? Turning ideas into money requires testing, marketing, and scaling. Successful innovators started small but stayed committed to their vision. By using innovation and creativity, you can unlock new opportunities and build a profitable future. Your next income stream might just be one idea away. What is stopping you? Comment your $1 million ideas. Let's validate it together. Follow me for more high value lessons on business, mindset, and money.